Understanding Drill Point, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, drill point. This term can be a bit confusing, especially for those learning English, but fear not. We're here to demystify its meaning and usage. So, let's dive in. Drill point originally comes from a technical context. In this sense, a drill point refers to the sharp end of a drill bit, the part that actually does the drilling. It's the tapered end that pierces through materials like wood or metal. Understanding this literal meaning is a great foundation for grasping other uses of the phrase. Outside of the workshop, drill point can take on a figurative meaning. It's often used to describe getting to the most important part of a matter or focusing on the essential aspect of an issue. When someone says, "Let's get to the drill point," they mean, let's talk about the most crucial part. To help solidify your understanding, let's look at some examples. 1. In a meeting, we have limited time, so let's quickly get to the drill point of our agenda. 2. In a classroom, the professor always gets to the drill point in his lectures, which makes understanding the topic much easier. These examples show how drill point can be versatile in different contexts. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of drill point. Remember, whether in a workshop or in conversation, getting to the drill point means focusing on the most crucial aspect. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English.